Hello guys, welcome, and this tutorial we will know how to create such complex model in a SketchUp using free plugin. So first you have to draw a circle like that. The segment is here. You can find the segment over here. This is 12, so here I'm getting it 24. Okay. Now you have to just draw another circle line over here just like that. Okay. And delete both faces, and then you have to connect it. Just move it over here at this point. Okay, now we need to copy this line over here like that. Okay, or little bit downwards just like that. Okay, and again you have to copy this circle also over here. Now we need to delete it, the extra one, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to scale it little bit over here. Before that we have to build this. Okay, so just select both and right click and select build option. Okay, so we need to connect these two lines. Now if you will select, it will select just single click. Okay, now it's in a single line. Here I have a same problem, so just select both, right click and weld. Again select this one and this one, right click and weld. Okay, now here I am scaling it a little bit. So okay guys, so now this line is created. So first you have to click here. Okay, then click at this first line, then second line, third line, and then finally on a fourth line. Then here it's asking reverse rail first direction, no. Reverse faces, no. We need a quad faces, so I'm selecting yes. Then it's asking erase original curve. Here I am clicking over no option. Okay, now this glass portion are created. Okay, and for frames like that, here you can see the frame is something like that, this frame. So we will use same plugin. So how to do it? First you have to mm, click here, this option, extrude edge by rail to lattice. Then click over again here, then click here. First you have to select this one. Okay, then click here, again click here, click here, again click here. Then here I will select diagonal option, then click OK. Erase original curve, no. No, we need to just move it over here. Now this is a model in a group, so just right click and explode it. Again right click and explode it. Now here we need to use a JHS powerbar plugin, so right click here, find JHS powerbar. If you don't have, you can install through the link in the description. Okay, now select all the lines, click here, then here you have to tap the diameter of bars. So here I'm tapping the tube diameter 1 inches only. Okay, then click on a OK button. Now guys, tube is created. So here I'm selecting all. So here this model already in a group, so we need to just place it. Before that we have to move it over here just like that. Select here, select the point at this point, and then move it. Okay, now here we need to flip it, so just press Ctrl and click over red axis. Now it's done like that, like a case. Okay, and here we just double click over this group. We need to use this glass material to create a something like that. So this is the free method that I have used here to create such complex model, guys. So there are so many process. You can also do it by using Flowify tools, but that is very complex, will time taken. But this is done within a minutes or couple of minutes, guys. So if you really like my videos, guys, please share, subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial.